Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us see how to prepare Nimbu pani. I am going to make 4 cups of Nimbu pani. For this I need 3 lemons. Extract the juice. To this add quarter cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of black salt, 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, half a teaspoon of chaat masala, quarter teaspoon of salt, a small piece of crushed ginger and few chopped mint leaves, and 3/4 liter of water. Give a nice mix. The sugar has to get completely dissolved. Once the sugar gets dissolved, filter this. Refrigerate this and transfer this into the serving glass. Add few ice cubes before serving. So here our Nimbu pani is ready. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.